Good day everyone! This is a tutorial video on how to make straight through cable and crossover cable and computer networking. These are the materials on how to make straight through cable. We have our crimping tool, UTP cable, and two RJ45. First, we will going to make a straight through cable. So these are the procedures. Arrange the color according to the cable you will going to make. Since it is a straight through cable, we will follow this. 1 white and green, 2 green, 3 white and orange, 4 blue, 5 white and blue, 6 orange, 7 white and brown, 8 brown. After arranging the color, you can now cut the wire to be fit in the RJ45. You can now insert the wire to the pin of RJ45. Check if the wire is correctly inserted. Using the crimping tool, lock the RJ45. Do the same procedure on the other side of the cable. We already have our straight through cable. Next is the crossover cable. Here are the materials and the procedures. RJ45, UTP cable. First, we have to make a straight through cable on the other side. The same procedure a while ago. Arrange the wire colors. Since it is a crossover cable, we will follow this. Number 1, white and orange. Number 2, orange. Number 3, white and green. Number 4, blue. Number 5, white and blue. Number 6, green. Number 7, white and brown. And number 8, brown. After arranging the color, you can now cut the wire to be fit in the RJ45. Insert the RJ45 to the wire. Using the crimping tool, lock the RJ45. We have now our crossover cable, so you can use it in computer networking. Thank you for watching.